Yo, can you hear me? So only 2 viewers. Let's wait a little bit before we continue. 6. Welcome to the stream. A long time no see stream. Yeah, it was probably 2 weeks already. So this week I'll try to stream every day if it's possible. Make it consistently. So let's see. Yo, thank you for coming. Good day to you. welcome to the live stream. Today we're gonna talk about everything probably, so feel free to ask any questions. I'm gonna show you my short system that should perform pretty well. We'll see. I tested, it has win rate 30%, but it can easily go to 60% win rate if it needs just small refinements. Anyway, should we start? Welcome everyone. Good day, glad to see you. So 8 people, let's go. So I wanna start with basic Forex. I like Forex. That's where I started my trading journey. So at moment we are in market maker sell model on Euro, or you wanna say we are in solid downtrend. And why we are in downtrend? Well, if we check out weekly, we hit major liquidity pools. Also we have a strong gap here, so we will retrace this gap. Anyway, the reason for reversal or rotation back into the range, or let's say mechanical retracements, because we take major liquidity pool making swing high, plus we close with body, but we rejecting the high. So, and yeah, we rejected this high, so it's time to rotate back, maybe even take these lows, but we'll see. Also it's Q2, so quarter second, it means that most of times we have reversal where dollar index is getting strength while GU and EU losing the strength basically. And we started Monday with big gap, as you can see, and today was few nice trades from shorting this, from longing here, basic market structure. So what I'm expecting right now is another drop from here. So basically either we will reject from here, but you see we have no weak candles, so I'll be cautious here, reject here and continuation lower, or we're gonna break it and retrace whole gaps, plus we have this gap, but it's too early for any strong reversal while we have so many down targets. So what we're gonna do is check dollar index. As you can see, we are starting to see rejections, so we should continue higher, to be fair, and GU take the highs, so probably we have, as you can see, SMT div, and we should come lower. Also gold took the high, and we should see actually make price efficient here, so it's probably gonna take this high and fulfill this gap, or either indeed will get down from here, but I don't think it will. Why? Because we have levels to take. As you can see, we got reaction, but we didn't get the breakdown. So как ты? Okay, so also we need body close above this high to confirm higher prices on gold, but let's see what's gonna happen here. So I'm very interested here in euro. I wanna see pump really, and dollar index dump, but GU took the high, so we'll see. That's what I'm looking. So today was clean day for taking so many good trades. Scalp hold this move, it was pretty clean, standard mechanic. So yeah, it's just Monday. Anyway, let's go to crypto. That's where we are interested. So right now we cook inside the range, and the thing that looks so bad is these rejections right now. This is very bad. Why it is bad? Because we have so much compressed price section without bullish confirmation. If you want to see higher prices, you need body close, you need volume into it, not getting absorbed like this. And we're gonna check out on coin analyze what's happening here. Okay, we're gonna check it. So I'm go here, Lakeland, Florida, GM. So coin analyze, and now let's see what's happening with order flow. So basically on basic aggregated CVD we have bullishness, which means we have pricing is pushing higher, but as you can see we do not get delivered here on CVD futures. So futures at the moment are shorting, as you can see, nice shorts. Meantime spot is longing and getting absorbed, and I think wait. We need perpetuals. Okay, that's much better. So spot is buying, future selling, funding is green, so spot is pretty much strong, and open interest is slowly getting dropped. So open interest is the best indication for net positioning, and as you can see open interest is dropping while price right now is going higher. So this will be very interesting part. I wish we go higher, but future selling. So spot, most of the time spot is the smart money, and futures are perpetuals are dumb money, because they are leveraged and they have sloppy entries, and many fellas just ape in without proper positioning themselves and blah 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 blah. So that's how you can understand. So as you can see, open interesting is falling down. That's very interesting. Probably we are fulfilling shorts here, and now what we should see is drop in spot. So why we should see drop in spot? Because they do not get rewarded for longs. Okay, so let's see what's happening. And by the way, basic price action, so don't worry. Okay, nice pump here. Let's see Nasdaq what's doing. So right now Nasdaq is having huge roll in crypto and Bitcoin, huge roll. So we on open took the highs, which is nice sign that we're gonna go higher. Now the question is, do we gonna today, I would say today and tomorrow, pump a little bit and then dump per market profile, weekly market profile? Also, as you can see, we have a lot of targets for going higher, and there's no reason to not going higher, but also we need retrace to fulfill this gap too. So let's see what's happening on lower time frame. Okay, we took the low and we have mechanical retracement. Let's see, do we have? Yeah, we have also divergence. You see, nice divergence. That's nice. So basically, if Nasdaq is pumping, crypto will continue pump. Okay, so spot is actually good right now. So basically this open interest drop means that many shorts are closing their position, okay, close on this long, they get liquidated. You see that flash, they got liquidated. And spot, and as you can see we have pump here on futures, so basically they are aping in longs, so we should see higher prices right now. Yes, also we didn't break this low, that's a good sign, so we should continue flying higher. That's nice. I've deleted everything, so I wanna remark my targets. So we need these highs to be taken, and all-time high is very soon. But do we gonna take all-time high, or we gonna get retracement before all-time high? We'll see. For now, this looks pretty strong. If we have body close like this, we have 2 hours before close, but most of times when you have these compressions, most of times you will get another run higher, no breakdowns, and then indeed it is all liquidity. Yes, I agree. And then we have targets like this, and all of this will be swept. We will retrace back to 98. Yeah, for sure, I can bet on that. But we need smart market reversal for that. If we drop from here with this rejection, that's very ugly, and not preferable in terms of liquid market. So right now Bitcoin is pretty much liquid, and we want clean moves. Okay, so let's see, for confirmation going high we need closes, body closes. Okay. Okay, let me see questions. In meantime, no questions. I should actually stream more. I see. Okay. What I wanna check out is let's see shitcoins. Let's go through shitcoins. Okay, so chill guy, I like chill guy. We take the 0.10 cents. We take hit 10 cents. We take efficiency level. Now, per shorting model, what do you need? Probably we will retrace higher. Probably because Bitcoin will fly. So that's why. Or no. Ooh la la, mashallah. We need close this up. Anyway, let me see before I continue with shitcoins. So let me see with the dominance. Does it look like we have a bottom here? No, it doesn't. So we have that more 20% move. Okay, now it's less 18. Okay, we have moved to going lower, but first liquidity targets. I mean, I cannot call it liquidity because it's USDT dominance chart, but the targets, let's say the targets, I would like to see this low to be taken, then maybe reverse up from here because we have gaps to be fulfilled, and then after, or just continuing lower. So we'll see. Anyway, per shorting model, so basically what do you need? You need most of memes, alts, looks like these charts, right? They died from these highs, let's say, most of highs, and now they pumped because of course we have small bull run. Anyway, what you wanna see and what I'm looking for is swing highs from the left side. You wanna you mark a swing high like this one, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if we break this, we're gonna fulfill probably all this gap, probably, but this is strong, very strong order block. But let's say for this sample, so it took this high, it retraced, but it's not the best. Let me find best target. So I'll act. It's not that clean. Let me see. So ICX. Okay, this trade I took. This was very clean trade. So that's what, even it pump again, which is massive pump. But let's keep it up. So we take high. As you can see, we took the high, then we go to lower time frame and we are looking for some structure like this, and as we got this structure, we rejected. We didn't break this high, we rejected. That's our entry on lower time frame, is changing state delivery. So basically you got entry like this, change state delivery, you got a price breakdown, consolidation with manipulation inside of this high, which gives a sign that we cannot go in higher, and your take profit is H4 efficient level, so like this, or you can use OT from high. Okay, beautiful OT, and it was beautiful long, to be fair, but I wasn't focused on longs because I want to test, I want to maximize shorting model. The reason is every sheet can pump, but every sheet can dump too, and it's easier for shitcoin to dump rather to pump it, you know. So if I manage to get system that can consistently short every shitcoin, that's massive edge in my opinion. Also long too, of course. So that's the type of model. As you can see, changing state delivery with this type of candle with taking liquidity bomb. Save. This was look, this was test. This trade fell. We didn't get proper CSD, as you can see, on lower time frame. So this model failed because we didn't get breakdown. Indeed we didn't get breakdown structure. We just keep higher. So basically, if you remember what I say, this gonna going much higher before, and then it went higher, but indeed it didn't take this high. So I should wait for this candle to make it happen and retracement with liquid sweep, and you will have short move to here retracement. And now when we would come here, it will be very question if we get signs of bullishness like this. You see structure doing this, so it's confirming that we have range consolidation plus many change state deliveries. It confirms strength. And why we need, when you short, you need breakdowns, you need dumps like this, big dumps, and we didn't get it. So that's the reason why this trade, well, let's say you shorted this, your stop loss is here, and you will get probably 1 hour, yeah, 1 hour, 1.5, but you will close with 1 hour. It's good, 1 hour, it's 1 hour, but still it's not that breakdown. So you will either put break even or close massive partials here. So right now it's waiting, not doing nothing. Let's see, check out higher time frames. Yeah, we were looking now for this high to be taken. This high should be taken from safe. For example, I'm gonna delete it because I don't need it anymore, but this high is what we're looking. So we're gonna break it, and when we break, then we're gonna see the dump or not, because we actually right now did structure. So I remember I had short from here, we took this high, and this was one of beautiful winnings in the group. So that's the dump you wanna see, fast cooking, and this was short, and many of you actually take it, and this was trade, beautiful trade, guys. And that's what you want to see, this big candle breakdown. When spot exit their positions, futures, when longs are absorbed, when they cannot move, rejection bump. But here we got another push higher, of course. That's the point with altcoins right now. They gonna get incredible strength. Okay, so any examples right now? This all shitcoins. Right now, nothing special, nothing to let's say short. So everything is now forcing a trade. You see, you go scan. So basically, how you do it, you go to scan highs. If something took the high, okay, we come here, we reject, but it's still bullish price action. Okay, This was example when I tried to short Sandog and look how it pumped. Bam. Also have to take care that that high that it's taken from major liquidity from the left side, not previous is important, yes, but that previous should take some major liquidity. Right now here we're just in bullish trend, so that was a mistake. Let's see, Rex Gek. Oh, this was nice kicking out because it wasn't actually we got the breakdown here, but actually we didn't get breakdown. This is what I'm talking. When you don't get breakdown, you will get dragged, and it's very ugly price action, however. Anyway, okay, any question, guys? Opa. Any questions? You have problem with differentiating range extremes from deviations. Every range has look. So when you have price like this is your range, right? Blah blah blah. Deviation, it means that it's rejection from the high when we take stops from here and then we continue dumping, right? And you see it's just the wick and then body. You don't see body above this, okay? Or you have body, it happens this many times, but you have another body like this, and on higher time frame it's just the wick again, the wick, okay? Then that's a range. That this type of range can be cooked. What does it mean? It means, let's say it's up your range, okay, it can be cooked, right, consistently like this, right? So when you know that it's gonna be range conditions, so you can expect per market profile when you don't have news or it is after huge expansions, there is also always consolidation, then you just trying to short or long the lows and highs of the range. Simple as that. You do nothing specifically. Right now if you try to let's say short crypto or long, you see how ugly the range is, you see, but it's cooking to upside, yes, and probably will continue higher because we have to continue higher. Depends on Nasdaq. I mean, I wouldn't like to see dump anyway. So yeah, deviation, rejection, acceptance is body close like this, and we confirmed, but we take another. So this is okay, this is let's say example confirmation. We're gonna continue higher, we retraced, then we rejected from there, we dumped. Now it's question, do we gonna go higher? Probably we will, because it's very ugly rejection, not proper patterns, and we're gonna take higher, and then we're gonna dump like this, bam, breakdown. Probably you didn't understand that. Crude oil, what to say? Nothing, bro, nothing. I don't trade it, so I don't want to talk about something that I'm not good at it, so I'll skip it. Okay, guys, thank you for being on stream. It's nice to see you. I think I mean support. Yes, indeed it. Yes, acts. The keyword is act. It doesn't mean it. You have to think like what big fellas right now is doing. Okay, so let's say this is not deviation. So this is range low, and we swept it, okay, and we trace it. And what's happening? We you see open interest is getting horny, spot still bullish. So it's deviation, weak rejection, and now it's accumulation. And because Bitcoin is now big pair, it needs money to move on. So you have to think like how many fellas get stopped out, how many fellas actually get in, and where institutions or big whales wanna jump, what's their price. And don't watch Michael Saylor, please. Michael Saylor is the biggest ape in the world, and he gonna just ape everywhere, everywhere. That dude is crazy. Okay, anyway guys, I have to go. I'm gonna close the stream. Nice to have you, and see you next time. Bye.